Hello everybody. I am in El Calafate at the moment and gonna stay here 3 days, and today is the first day. I took it very slow because it was a long 500 kilometers up here, and with the leak in the gas tank and fixing that with the cigarette filter and the chewing gum, MacGyver style. Now I'm in Calafate, and this is close to the Perito Moreno Glacier, and it's about 80 kilometers away. And today I'm gonna look at the glaciers, the one glacier that is growing and coughing, where the big pieces break off, and it's up to 60 meters high. And yeah, now we're gonna take you on a trip along Lago Argentino. Cheers.
Emboldened animals venture into cities as treetops scribble tales into the sky. Nature finally is taking its deep breath. Act quickly before somebody breaks the myth. Live and let live.
And the sun is shining directly on the glacier. Wow.
Boards are settling down for picnics on the streets. Growing bolder.
It's a bit like a Fiat. It's a very, very, very touristy place. But I think I made the right choice. I was leaving in El Calafate at 1 o'clock, and now it's 2 o'clock p.m. and most of the people you saw, all the buses standing there, they are right now on the tour. And so I think most people are gone and it's not so crowded. Yep, that's crowded.
Deers are snacking on some pretty potted plants, adapting to this new environment.
I took a little tour with the boat, and I'm gonna see some pictures I did with my other camera. That was just a brilliant experience. It's massive, it's really huge. And it goes all the way to the very back there. For kilometers. And I kept thinking about whiskey, I can't help it, but I thought, wow. Impressive, brilliant, love it. Yeah, well, back to Calafate.
Hearing chirps instead of sound pollution. Paying close attention to the clouds. Life is tied together, roots connecting, feeding off another, all done.
Wow, so beautiful, look at this. Wow. Such a nice scenery. It's beautiful. That was an amazing day. And right now I'm on my way and get some nice Argentinian asado. Yeah, usually I don't do this, but well, this is an exception.